Hey guys, this is a basic product review of the 3M Premium Liquid Wax. I have ordered it from Flipkart, around 280-300 bucks. You will get it on Amazon and Flipkart, anywhere you want. So this is a liquid wax from 3M, which is a very reputed company. I will use it on my Royal Enfield Himalayan. Primarily I will use it on my tank, as my tank has become dull, I guess by the usage of Rhinox tank bag. It has become dull. While returning from my last trip from Sikkim, I noticed that there were few scratches on my tank and a portion of my tank has become absolutely dull. I will show you what I am talking about in a moment. So I have heard good things about this product on YouTube. Let's see how it goes. It is mentioned car care, but I have seen guys using it on their scooty, on their premium bikes, on their super bikes. So let's see how it goes. You can see it's written restores gloss, protect paints from UV rays. As I have not put any kind of plastic film on my Royal Enfield Himalayan, that's the reason my tank has become dull and it has got few minor here and there scratches. Let's see how this product performs and I'll show you guys too. So there are three major things you will need: the wax obviously, and a good microfiber cloth, not just any ordinary cloth, a good microfiber cloth, and a basic cotton handkerchief or whatever cotton thing you have to spread the wax. But to clean the wax you need a clean microfiber cloth, that is absolutely compulsory. Any random cloth will not do the work. So let's go. So here is my bike, the Royal Enfield Himalayan 2021 model. So guys, one thing you have to make sure that the bike is absolutely clean. I have just cleaned it in the morning. There should be no dust on the bike, especially where you will apply the wax. You can see I have just cleaned it. So let me show you the scratches and the dull areas I have on my tank. You can see them. It's not clearly visible, so I will take help of my cycle light. Now I think you guys will be able to see this, see the dullness. There are a few scratches here and there, and this part is absolutely dull, it looks ugly, and there are a few scratches. So let's see if the wax can remove it or not. We'll find out. This cotton cloth and obviously 3M wax. So you have to put it drop wise here and there, not like evenly. So as you can see, I have applied the liquid wax everywhere. You can use it, you can apply it using your fingers also. I have done the same. I have applied it everywhere, on the windscreen, on the front fender, nicely on the tank, everywhere. So now we will let it dry for around 20 to 25 minutes. After 20 to 25 minutes, we will remove the wax using a good microfiber cloth. So let's see how does it perform. The wax is almost dried, so I will show you after I wipe it off. So as you can see, I have wiped out the wax and it's pretty much good. Let me show you just like before by lighting them. You can see the dullness has reduced fairly. The minor scratches are still there but reduced. Bike looks absolutely new. It's shining.